So when we die, when lives of our hero is are zero, what is taking place is we do is post is true, so our game is paused. Then we do context to draw image game over, the image for game over. Then we draw the exit button, and if we click on it, then our game start is false and this post is true, so we come to our original main menu. Then this is the case when we won the first level. So when boss lives is 0, from 10 it becomes 0, and when the level is 1, so we must go to level 2, and in that case we create the 7 barriers that I mentioned in above. Accordingly, then we do is boss is false, so we have no boss at first. Then we do so actually the same as was mentioned in level 2 part. So the information of our level 2, and then but here we have change level, which is a variable that will, and this is for the case when for our background images above. And also we do the same for, so we update our game data, we assign to our isPost true, so the game will continue, and then so not continue, but our game will stop will be paused, and then we assign to our next level variable true, so this will be used some time later, and we assign to our original legs post legs. Then this is the case when we win the second level. And so the lives of our boss is 0 and the level is 2. Again we create barriers according to its x, with its images, with its x, y, x data, layers mean and visibility. Then we say and do the same for as in this case. And finally when the level is 3 and the boss lives is 0, the lives of our boss is 0, this is the case when we win. So in that case we do the isPost is true, so our game stops for some time. We draw the congratulation image, we draw our menu image, and if we click on it, we assign to our game start false, so we come to our original main menu condition, so isPost is true and game start is false. And finally this is the case when this next level is true. This is the case when we'll win one level, and at that point the isPost is true, so our game stops, and as this next level is true, in that case we draw our next level image, and if we click on it, we assign to isPost false, and this next level is false, so this condition will not take place anymore. And all this was in our request animation frame loop. So this was done in animation. Actually, this was all.